Okay, so this one here, what can we do? Let's add the mouth. Let's have that be a female character and have round, nice lips, chunky lips. So just have just a curve on top, a curve on the bottom of this line, and those are the lips already. And just have a tiny nose, and let's have large almond eyes here. So if you have difficulties to draw that, first just draft the eyes like ellipses and don't just do really thick lines. Just draw them roughly. Every time you can't draw something, just draw it roughly and then enhance it when you know what to do. And let's have the eyebrows be really high up for this character. And let's enhance now using these help lines. Enhance her eyes, and she's going to look towards us. So just draw some spheres looking at us, and draw again another sphere, thicker, and again just leave this white dot in here. Just makes the eyes look glossy and more alive. And enhance the pupil and shade it inside. And let's shape the other eye here. It's good that you can challenge yourself. You can draw a very simple character like that, or you can draw even more advanced character like this one, because this one is more difficult because you have these advanced eyes. For you who are a beginner, this is more challenging, but it's good to try different ways, because you can have characters with all different shapes and different characteristics, and they can be both easy and difficult, but they're still very interesting characters. So I'm gonna add some eyelashes on her, and I'm going to shape this lower part of this sphere like her shape, and maybe shade her lips as well to look as if they have lipstick on. Just follow the line that you already drew. It kind of suggests what you need to do. And let's give her some hair. So we'll have chunk of her hair here, maybe chunk of her hair here, straight haircut like that, and a straight haircut here, and continue the hairline over here, and just continue her hair, chunk of her hair over here, and give her a small neck. And let's shade it with a pencil or whatever you have, or even if you don't want to shade it, if she's blonde, so don't shade it with dark. But it gives a more, if you draw only with pencils, it gives it more graphic look. It just shows where the hair is and how this character looked like. And so this is just a suggestion. It's never a rule. Nothing is really a rule, because there's so many different ways to draw and to draw characters. So nothing is really a rule. It's just a suggestion and a way that someone has done it. You can do it too, but you can also find your own ways of drawing whatever you are drawing. You will always find your own style. And first you start with copying your style, or with studying what others are doing. And that's what you're doing here. You're following me step by step and see what I'm doing. And then this will be something that you will take as a lesson, and then you say, well, I'll just take what she did and I can do it this way instead. I can do it my own way. Because your brain is finding your own techniques, your own ways of doing things. You don't have to follow anyone else later on. It's just so normal, because that's what happened to me as well. I mean, first I followed my teachers by the book. I had so many rules I had to follow, and then I decided, well, I don't need to follow these rules. I can design my own rules. So this is our next character, and let's finish up with this strange little potato in the next lecture.